So we're on our way to Vans Warped Tour Long Beach. Let's check it out. Got a little cerveza for the road because I want to pay those prices inside, but they'll probably get me for one.